Welcome dear students, 8th class math, new book, chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals, exercise 3.3, and we are going to do the last 4 questions of this exercise 9 to 12. So watch and listen to the video very carefully and note down all the answers, but later on do practice doing all these questions yourselves. So let's get started. Question number 9 is, in the figure both risk and clue, RISK, CLUE are parallelograms. Find the value of X. So RISK, this one parallelogram, and CLUE, this is the other parallelogram. And you can see that these two sides, one is IS and another is EC. One side each of both the parallelograms, they are crossing each other. And where they are cutting, they are making an angle, and this angle we have to find out, which is shown as X. These angle K is given as 120 degrees and angle L is given as 70 degrees. Do not make any mistake, because this angle belongs to this parallelogram CLUE, and this angle belongs to this parallelogram. So they are not the opposite angles of the same parallelogram. So we have to be careful while solving this question. So we start like this. We know that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. In parallelogram CLUE, CEU, that is CEU, this angle is equal to ULC, and which is equal to 70 degrees. So is equal to 70 degrees. Also, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means their sum is 180 degrees. So in parallelogram RISK, angle B, angle RKS plus angle KSI, this angle at S, okay, is equal to 180 degrees. RKS or KSI is equal to 180 degrees minus RKS, and RKS is equal to 120 degrees, which is given. So 180 minus 120 is equal to 70 degrees. It means this angle is 70 degrees. This angle is also is equal to 70 degrees. Now let's see how we find out angle X. Now we know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So CEU, this angle, plus KSI, this angle, plus X is equal to 180 degrees. This angle E is the same as angle of this triangle, and this angle KSI is the same as this angle ESX, here this angle. Okay, so these two angles we have just found out. This angle was equal to 70 degrees and this angle was equal to 60 degrees. Okay, so CEU 70 degrees, KSI 60 degrees, X as it is we have to find out is equal to 180 degrees, or X is equal to 180 degree minus 70 minus 60. 70 60 is 130. So 180 minus 130 is equal to 50 degrees. So angle X is equal to 50 degrees. Next question. Next question is, explain how the figure is a trapezium. This figure is a trapezium. Which of its two sides are parallel? We know that a quadrilateral is a trapezium if one pair of its opposite sides is parallel. Okay. So we know that if the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the lines the transversal is intersecting are parallel. This we have already studied in our previous classes in lines and angles. Whenever any two lines are being intersected by a transversal, and if the interior angles, there are four interior angles, two on each side of the transversal, and on the same side of the transversal, if the two interior angles are supplementary, that means the lines are parallel. So now angle NML plus angle KLM is equal to 180 degrees, because this is 100, this is 80, is equal to 180 degrees. Now these are two interior angles on the same side of the line ML. This is the ML, and this is one interior angle, this is another interior angle, and NM and KL are the two lines which are being intersected by this line. Therefore, the lines NM and KL are parallel, because one set of opposite sides is parallel to each other. So it is how this figure is a trapezium. This is how, because NM is parallel to KL. Why? Because these two angles, their sum is 180 degrees, because these two angles are on the same side of the transversal, which this transverse ML is intersecting these two lines NM and KL. So it is how this quadrilateral, this figure is a trapezium. Next question, question number 11. Find measure of angle C. Find measure of angle C, this angle. This angle is given. In the figure, if AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC. So DC, AB are parallel, this angle is given, and we have to find out this angle. So we proceed like this. We know that if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So now considering AB parallel DC, which is given to us, and the transversal BC, angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Angle C and angle B will be supplementary because they are on the same side of BC, and they are BC is intersecting CD and AB and CD are parallel. So angle C plus angle B is given 120 degrees equal to 180 degree, or angle C is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. Thus measurement of angle C is equal to 60 degree. That means this angle is equal to 60 degrees. Last question now. Okay. Question number 12. Find the measure of angle P and angle S. Angle P and angle S. If SP parallel RQ. If SP parallel RQ in the figure. So, I mean, the underlying principle is same as what we used in question number 11. We know that if two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, the interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. So considering SP parallel RQ, SP parallel RQ, and the transversal SR, and the transversal SR. Okay. So angle S plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. S plus R 180 degree. Angle S and R is given. This symbol means it is 90 degrees. So angle S plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degree, or angle S is equal to 180 minus 90. Thus measurement of angle S is equal to 90 degrees. So we have found out angle S. Now let's find out angle P. Now considering SP parallel RQ, SP parallel RQ, and the transversal PQ and the transversal PQ, this one PQ. Angle P plus angle Q, angle P plus angle Q is equal to 180 degrees. Angle P plus, now this angle is given as 130 degrees. So angle P plus 130 is equal to 180 degrees. Or angle P is equal to 180 minus 130. Thus measurement of angle P is equal to 50 degrees. So dear students, these were the four last questions of exercise 3.3, and with this video we come to the end of this exercise. Very soon we'll come up with the next exercise. So keep doing your studies in a regular and disciplined manner like this. And goodbye till the next video. Thank you very much.